Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this presentation on troubleshooting DTC P26F0, which relates to starter cut relay diagnosis circuit high voltage in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. The starter cut relay plays a crucial role in controlling the starter motor operation. Thus, any anomalies in its circuit can lead to significant vehicle performance issues. This error code indicates that the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected an abnormal input voltage on the starter cut relay diagnosis line, rendering it unable to properly control the starter motor. In this presentation, we will explore the error description in detail, outline potential causes of this error, and provide a structured troubleshooting guide to help you effectively diagnose and resolve the issue, ensuring your Honda Accord continues to operate smoothly. Let's get started. DTC P26F0 indicates a high voltage condition in the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit. The starter cut relay is essential for enabling the starter motor operation within your Honda Accord. Located within the relay circuit board, its function is to monitor the voltage levels when the vehicle is turned off. When the powertrain control module, PCM, notices that the input voltage on this line exceeds specified limits while the starter should be inactive, it triggers this diagnostic trouble code. The PCM is mounted within the engine compartment and acts as the vehicle's brain, controlling crucial vehicle functions. Understanding this circuitry is vital, as issues can arise from various components connected to the PCM and the starter cut relay, necessitating thorough inspection during troubleshooting. There are several possible causes for the P26F0 diagnostic trouble code, starting with the relay circuit board. Any malfunction here can lead to irregular voltage signals being sent to the PCM. Next, wiring issues can arise, especially short circuits in the starter cut relay circuit that may create unintended paths for electrical flow. A faulty PCM can incorrectly detect the voltage inconsistencies, leading to erroneous codes such as the P26F0. The starter cut relay itself could also be defective, hindering proper operation and signaling to the PCM. Lastly, poor electrical connections, whether loose or corroded, can also produce similar symptoms, necessitating a comprehensive inspection of all potential fault sources. The symptoms associated with DTC P26F0 can significantly affect the vehicle's starting behavior. Drivers may experience an inability to start the engine, characterized by the absence of any cranking or clicking sounds. Alternatively, there might be erratic starting behavior where the vehicle sometimes starts and sometimes fails to do so, adding to driver frustration. Additionally, there may be no voltage at the starter relay during attempts to start the engine, leading to a failed start condition. You might also notice various dashboard warning lights. These can be indicators of underlying electrical issues. Lastly, unexpected engine shutdowns while driving can occur if the starter cut relay is not functioning as intended, making it imperative to address this diagnostic code swiftly. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P26F0 involves operational tests to assess the current system status. Begin by attempting to start the engine to see if it initiates properly. If the engine fails to start, switch the vehicle to off lock mode, which resets the vehicle systems. After this, turn the vehicle to the on mode and ensure to wait for at least 5 seconds before making any further observations or tests. This waiting period allows the PCM to self-check and refresh, enabling accurate diagnostics moving forward. Should the issue persist after these steps, further investigation will be required based on the condition presented. The second troubleshooting step requires you to disconnect the relay circuit board to perform a thorough inspection of the starter cut relay 1 circuit. Observing the connections closely is critical, as any faults in the relay circuit can lead to the symptoms seen with DTC P26F0. Look specifically for short circuits, which can result in abnormal voltage readings at the PCM. Reference the vehicle's connection diagrams to ensure you are inspecting the correct wiring and connectors. It's also imperative to confirm that all connections are secure, as loose or corroded connectors could lead to erratic operation of the relay and resulting fault codes. This step is vital to isolate whether the relay circuit board itself is the source of the problem. Step 3 involves assessing the external circuit related to the starter cut relay. This inspection specifically targets the connections labeled ST-RLY1 to 2 and ST-cut RLY1CL, as these input lines to the PCM are crucial for proper operation. You will need to check for any wiring issues that may have caused a short circuit or an open circuit situation. It is essential to measure these lines while powered on to confirm whether the circuit is shorted to power or ground. Being diligent during this step will help to rule out external wiring faults and directly leads to identifying the root cause behind the abnormal readings triggering DTC P26F. Proper diagnostic tools should be utilized to examine the voltage levels thoroughly. As a continuation of the troubleshooting process, the fourth step focuses on inspecting the powertrain control module, PCM. If previous inspections have indicated normal conditions, the remaining suspect becomes the PCM itself. Follow the detailed testing procedures outlined in the service manual to conduct a comprehensive check of the PCM's condition. This may include verifying fault codes stored within the module and cross-referencing those with current performance indicators. Should abnormalities be found, it is crucial to interpret these results in context with other inspections already conducted. A faulty PCM often requires either repair or replacement, which should only be done after confirming that all other components are functioning correctly to avoid unnecessary costs. After conducting the necessary repairs based on the previous troubleshooting steps, the final verification step is to clear the diagnostic trouble code from the PCM. This process typically involves using a diagnostic scan tool, which allows you to reset the PCM and remove any stored codes. After clearing the DTC, it is essential to retest the functionality of the vehicle, especially the starter system. Ensure that the engine starts reliably without triggering the P26F0 code again. Monitoring the overall operation, including any warning indicators on the dashboard, is crucial to confirm that the entire starting system is functioning correctly. Conducting these final checks helps ensure that all repairs were successful, leading to a reliable output that meets the manufacturer's standards. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in ensuring long-term functionality and reliability of the starter systems in your Honda Accord. Regular inspections of the starting system should be scheduled to identify any potential issues before they develop into major problems. During these inspections, checking the wiring for signs of wear or damage can prevent electrical issues that could trigger codes like P26F. Additionally, monitoring battery voltage and health ensures that all electrical components are receiving the required power supply. Implementing a routine schedule for checks helps maintain the integrity of the vehicle systems. Furthermore, ensuring that electrical connections are clean and free from corrosion can significantly enhance the reliability of the starter cut relay circuit and improve overall vehicle performance. In conclusion, resolving DTC P26F0 involves a systematic approach to troubleshooting. By identifying potential error sources and thoroughly inspecting various components, such as the starter cut relay circuit, associated wiring, and the PCM. Following structured diagnostic procedures ensures that the repair process is accurate and effective, minimizing confusion and unnecessary part replacements. It is essential to verify that all systems are functioning correctly after repairs are completed to prevent future occurrences of the DTC. Additionally, regular maintenance checks can further enhance vehicle reliability and performance over time. By adhering to these guidelines, Honda Accord owners can maintain their vehicle's integrity and ensure safe and efficient operation on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.